YouTube, I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I'm re-recording my intro to the other video. I don't want to redo the whole thing, but I forgot to recognize my sponsor, Haley.
Jesus.
And there was actually a request for a recognition reference to the sponsor. It was Philippians 4:13. Haley, do you know Philippians 4:13?
Probably, but not right this second off the top of my
I
head.
can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Yeah.
And I thought what was interesting about that, and what we talked about at church today, Haley, was not taking stuff from the Bible out of context, not making it fit what we want it to fit, and stuff like that. So I reread some around that, and that is in Philippians, and that's Paul's letter back to the church at Philippi, and he's basically thanking them for supporting him. And he's saying that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me, whether he has a lot or whether he has a little, and he's reliant on God's sustenance. But a lot of God's sustenance came through that church, came through the people of the church of Philippi, and he was thanking them for that. So enjoy the rest of this video. This is the Shark Slide giveaway announcement video. Here you go. Go. What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man. This is the giveaway announcement video. I'm filming this on Sunday night. It's what's today?
I don't know.
Father's Day. You know. It's Father's Day, and we just had a lot going on today. Sorry to get this out to you so late, but this is the Shark Slide giveaway. Haley, did you already glue this back on?
Yes.
Okay. Haley said that this did come off, and it's easy to glue back on.
It didn't come off. It almost came off.
Okay. What's the name of your YouTuber you love?
Which one? There's a couple of them. Mariah Elizabeth.
Mariah Elizabeth. She like fixes squishies and repaints them and stuff. And this is basically squishy material. So, another thing, Haley, you said you didn't really like the way that this was curved, and it's kind of not the right size because of the way that it's curved. Hesper's Nikes are almost the same way. I don't know if maybe they're sized better, but they have that same very gradual taper in the back. But you really like these, right?
I do really like
They're
these.
comfortable still?
Yeah.
You wore them to the beach?
Mm-hmm.
You had them at the beach?
Mm-hmm.
On the beach?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So,
They're actually really easy to walk in the sand in because they cover they have such a big surface area on the bottom. You don't sink into the sand.
it's like a snowshoe.
Yeah.
And they're not worn through on the bottom too bad. And you wear them everywhere, not just, you wear them a lot, not just at the beach. So they're not wearing too bad. So you got a nice little rip there.
Oops.
But that's all right. They're holding together pretty nicely for you having worn them for a while now. And you really like them. So I'm about to announce the winner. First though, I got a little unboxing. This was Haley's Father's Day gift to me. I've already opened this, but I'm going to do it on video too. I'll comment down below if you know what this box is.
It's upside down.
Huh?
It's upside down. There you go.
Yeah, okay, you're right.
I know. Oh, it's not focusing. Oh no. Okay, there we go. And look at the little inside, the little part you gotta tap.
Oh. Like that?
Yeah.
And what I said about the itsy bitsies, that like my own, like, aside from this is just not really the right shape. I mean, this is the right shape because it's plastic and, not really easier to make the right shape. And I'm sure this is just really difficult to make in the right shape. This is what this is missing.
The blue?
No, that's Concord. Because these are Concords. Can you see the Concord on the bottom?
The purple? Yeah.
That's what this means. That would set this off. Especially on a baby that's gonna, like an infant baby, you're gonna be able to see the bottom all the time. So
Yeah.
in any case, I've got a new keychain. This one's going on my keychain. I think maybe my $900 crankbait is coming off of my keychain.
That thing was $900? Oh.
It won me $900.
Yeah.
Actually won me and Jeff $900. That's cool though. It's got traction pad and it's almost actually.
Did you see the shoelaces?
Yeah.
They're like.
Oh, they did come off. Yeah. I mean, not come off, but yeah, they're actually shoelaces. I mean, they're actually laces.
Yeah. It's hard to focus. There
It's got a really cool box.
Yeah, it does.
All right. I already know this winner. I did the little typey thing on my computer earlier, and
Oh, that is really scuffed right there.
it's scuffed. And the winner of the Shark Slides. You'll go back, and if you haven't watched the actual Shark Slide video, go watch the Shark Slide video. It has 21,000 views now, Haley.
Man.
In a month, 21,000 views.
I'm just your secret recipe.
It's gone up and gone down. Right now, I think it's getting about 300 or 400 a day. So it was at like think it peaked at like 700 a day. And it was doing that for like a week, right around Memorial Day. Yeah, Memorial Day. Memorial Day was a good weekend for us for that video. So the winner of the shark slide, the color of their choice, the size that they want. Hopefully they can get their size, because I think this particular retailer is on Amazon. I put the link in the other two videos. They may not have had big sizes, but we're gonna do whatever we can to get you. Your size is Lil Bobo. Little Bobo. Little Bobo's been commenting on a lot of my videos, and he just happened to comment on this one too. I think there was only 20 something, almost 30 comments to enter into this giveaway. So obviously the giveaway video didn't do nearly as good as the first video. The first video, like I said, has 21,000
I told
views.
you.
I don't know.
It's just me.
You're the thumbnail on that one too.
But they knew it was the same thumbnail. They were like, I've already seen this.
But it said giveaway.
But they didn't care. They just saw my face and they were like, I already saw this.
I don't want to see her anymore. Thanks for all the support. The 2,000 sub giveaway is coming up really soon. We got actually lost 2 subs today. I hate being able to see it go down. I know I lose them, but I hate being able to see it go down. Whatever. But the 2,000 sub giveaway is coming up really quick. Haley, you know X? Remember X? XLXMXH? She is a she.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
She's still right there, but Grandma Daisy Chung, she's been mounting a comeback.
Daisy Chung Grandma?
Yeah, she is a grandma, and her name on YouTube is Daisy Chung. And Haley, I'll let Haley watch the video, the clip later. But whenever I think of her, I think of Miss Ho, and she's in Next Friday, the movie Next Friday. Okay. So if you can go back and Google and YouTube, I don't want to get any copyright stuff, so I'm not going to put it in this video. But you can look for it on YouTube, Miss Ho on Next Friday, and she just reminds me of she's like a cool grandma next door, you know?
Right.
What's his name? I don't remember. But he's like, man, who's that old lady over there? Oh, that's Miss Ho. She's cool. So, what are you doing with your tongue?
I was looking at, I bit it, and I was looking at my reflection.
All right, but 2,000 sub giveaways coming up soon. My most valuable sub will be crowned, but I'll also give away another shoe to a random commenter on that video when we get there. So we're almost 100, a little bit over 100 subs away. I've got a whole bunch of shoes here right now. It could be probably any one of these shoes that I have. You can pan over there real quick, see all those shoes that are over there. There's a lot. Not necessarily any one of those, but it's got to be something I have here or something of a more reasonable value. And the most valuable sub will be able to pick their shoe. I'll order it. I'll probably get it ordered in here. Hopefully it'll be something that I don't already have or haven't already made a video on. I'll make a video on it and then I'll send it off to you. And anything else, Haley? Make sure you smash that like button on this video. There will be more giveaways. We get another hit video like this, then we're going to do another giveaway on that shoe. So I've got some more QC videos coming up soon, because these are both more Jordan 4 infrareds, and I think I have at least 3 more coming in. 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 already left. Yes. So I have 3 more coming in aside from these 2 that are right here that I haven't even opened yet. So we're going to QC all these and see overall what they look like. This is another 6.5. So Haley learned of the poor quality on the size 6.5 that's here through the YouTube video, because she wasn't here when I got them. She was not happy about that, but hopefully this will be better. Lil Bobo, congratulations. Smash that like button, comment down below, tell your grandma. See you next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.